Hey, good morning, everybody. Here we go on week 3 of Community Yard Sale. We hope to have a good day collecting. We've had 2 good weeks so far. Today's our 3rd. Anything else going on today, my love?
I knew you were going to say that.
I'm going to say it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Angie is celebrating her great 58.
58 is great.
Woo! So we're going to celebrate with yard sales and a garden party, and we just want you to come along with us and have a good time. Thank you, guys, and we love you. We'll see what's out there. Bye. Oh, my gosh. We just, I think we just left our 6th one. Our first 5s were no deals, and then number 6, ladies and gentlemen, $22.50, I think. You know, when you find old people that just want to get rid of stuff, that's the sweet spot right there. Yes. I love it. Thanks for hanging around with us. And what's today? It's your birthday.
It likes you better.
Hello.
Hey, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Harmony Vintage Insider. This is my wonderful and hot wife, Angie. My name is Rick. And it feels like a million years since we've done this.
I know.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, first of all, we started working on this on last Friday.
Yes.
It's Thursday?
It's Thursday. It's been a few days.
It took a while.
It's been a few days. Let's see. What's happened since then? We did a make and take.
Yes.
Cassie and everybody that showed up for that, thank you very much. That was a lot of fun. We did a good job on that.
That was last
Sarah
Thursday.
Did a great job on the staycation.
It was really nice.
It was really nice. Let's see. What was the day after that? It was your birthday.
It was my birthday.
It was your birthday.
You kept telling everyone.
It was wonderful. We went yard sailing for the first part of the day. And then we went to that great new bagel shop.
Yeah, we did.
Royalty Bagels and More.
In Johnstown.
In the Woods parking lot. Double thumbs up for you guys.
We loved it.
5 stars.
Yeah.
Man, authentic, real food. Just New York style.
Yeah, high quality meats.
High quality. Yeah, it was great. Met the owner over there, Tony. Keep up the good work, brother. We had a really good time on my wife's birthday.
We did.
Let's see.
Then we went back.
And then we went back.
Because they have pizza. And that was amazing pizza.
Well, its name's Royalty Bagels and More. And when we got in there, the more became very clear.
Yes, they made more.
Tons of pizzas and sandwiches and desserts and cannolis and all kinds of things. So we went back, and we'll probably be back again.
Yeah.
Probably. We will be back again because it was really good.
Yeah.
And then you went to a garden party. That was very nice. And then we picked it up again and went yard sailing again the next day.
Yes. So then, and that's why we're so late doing this, because after we finished yard selling, we just had a giant pile of stuff in our living room.
So much.
And so since then, every chance we get, we've been cleaning it and tagging it and sorting it. And we've made 2 trips to the booth to put two big loads of new things in there. And the booth is looking pretty good.
That's looking darn good. I think maybe better than it ever has.
Yeah, I
don't know if you guys have ever, maybe you know, our kitchen island is over there. This is our kitchen table, our dining table, and our living room is over here. All of it packed. Yeah. Couldn't set anything on the island. Couldn't set anything on here. And stuff all the way across the floor of the living room.
It was a lot
It was a successful weekend.
Yes.
But the shopping part's only the first part, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of work after that.
There's tagging and pricing and transporting and staging at the booth. So that's what we've been up to this week.
Yeah. I forgot what I was going to say.
Oh. You want to try and catch up? Or
it'll come back to me.
You're good? Okay.
Oh, now I remember.
Okay.
Yeah, so we took so much stuff to the booth that I was afraid we weren't going to have enough left for the video. So then we were finishing up tagging the last amount, and I was like, wow, actually we still have a lot of cool stuff. And there's more than what you see here, but These
Yes.
are our favorites of what's still left here at the house.
There's still stuff over there, still stuff over here, and still stuff up there. So
Yes.
we got a lot. But it was a good time. And you strike when the striking's good, right?
Yes. Yes.
There was a couple of places we went to in particular. There was an older couple, and she was just charming. She was just like, this is all my old stuff, and I want to get rid of it. That's my husband. He's kind of an old codger, and he doesn't want you in his garage.
Yeah. She was your favorite, I think.
She was my favorite, and he was suspicious of all of us. Yes.
Yeah, we went there twice.
Yeah, we went there twice. And then there was another couple that was just down the road a piece, and they were super sweet. I really liked them.
Yes.
But, that's half the fun, right? Is not only finding the treasure hunting, but the people you meet along the way.
Yes.
We met Kelly and Bob over there.
Yes.
And they had an awesome story to tell.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of cool stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway.
Yep. Ran into our friends Danny and Ginger.
Ran into Danny and Ginger. They were just coming up. That was a sad story, actually.
It was kind of sad.
They were at a yard sale, and a lady tripped and fell and broke her hip.
Yeah.
And they had to stay there, and didn't have to. They volunteered to stay there. They wanted to stay there until the lady was transported. And Danny and Ginger, you guys are good guys. Thank you.
Yes.
We need more people like you. And for that dear lady, God bless you. Healing.
Yeah.
Anything else?
And we also saw our mail lady.
We did see Mindy. Yes. We did. We saw Mindy. It was fun, right?
It really was.
Everybody's buzzing around town, and we're all shopping for different things and having a good time.
Yeah.
It was good. It was a good time. And then there was a lot of work, and now we're here.
I know. I feel like it was a major accomplishment just getting everything sorted and tagged.
Yes.
I feel like that's pretty huge. And I'm excited that we still have these things to show you. But you should check out the booth. I put a video, and it shows all the new stuff in there. So there's a lot of stuff there. And then these items will go in as there's room to put these. Yeah. So. But
you know what else is cool about this is it's always learning.
Yes.
So you're always finding treasures.
Yes.
You're meeting new people, some of which are amazing.
Absolutely.
And then you learn things.
Yeah, I love that part of it.
It's really cool. There's a history behind a lot of this stuff here. So
I think that's why people are drawn to antiques and vintage. I think we love the history. People who love them love the history. And so, if something's got a little bit of a patina on it, maybe a dent, I don't know, it shows that a real person owned it and it has a history. It wasn't just produced in a factory and sitting on a shelf at Walmart.
Yes. And it takes you back to days before. There's a lot. The Revereware pot over there. I love that thing. My mom had that when I was a kid. And now we have what's basically a brand new one. So it's cool. Yeah.
Yeah. And there are some things that we just didn't know anything about. We completely learned something new.
Would you like to start? I think you wanted to tell the story of that washboard.
Yeah. So this was one of the fun things that we found. We got a few of these. So you're probably familiar with washboard. I've seen washboards before, but I've always seen them have metal. This part was metal. This is wood, and this was metal, and this is where you washed your clothes. But look at this one. This one's glass, so you can see through it. And I thought that was so unique. And we found like 3 of them. So we had to do a little look into the history. And what we learned was that the ones with glass were produced during World War II.
Right.
Because they were rationing metal. And so they made them with glass. And I thought that was really pretty cool.
That was a neat story, right?
Yeah.
I thought that was really cool.
And this one's in good condition. I love the condition here of all the brand information. And then on the back, there's a chicken. I don't know if that shows up very well, but there's a chicken here. So this is pretty cool. There's one in the booth already. we'll put this one in when there's room for it. And then there's also a smaller one and they're all glass.
It was apartment sized.
Yeah, the small one's interesting because it doesn't have any brand information. So I don't know if it was made for dolls or I don't know. Bachelors, not sure.
Well done.
Thank you.
Did a good job on that little history lesson.
Yeah, that was
I
fun.
thought this was really cool.
That is cool.
You found this, and this was awesome. This is a Forest Ranger backpack firefighting water pack.
Tank. Yeah.
So the Forest Rangers, railroad workers, some ranchers in some cases, when there was a fire, they would put on these backpacks and use this nozzle right here, and they would go out and they would spray and put out fires with it with a backpack on. So firefighters, forest rangers, just super cool piece of kind of nostalgia history.
Yeah.
For those of you that don't know, I wanted to be a forest ranger when I was a kid. So they kind of felt right up my alley. That was really cool. So a water tank for firefighting, forest rangers, just a cool thing. Still has a rubber hose. Really cool.
Yeah, I love the look of it. I like the galvanized metal. It's fought a few fires, I'm guessing. It's a little dented up, but it still has some good paint on it. It still has that nozzle. We have another one that doesn't have the nozzle. So we will put that one in the booth too. But I think those are really cool for decor.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. And then another one of my favorites, this little thing right here. This is part of my own personal history.
Yeah.
So when Angie and I got married almost 40 years ago, I drove a food truck, not unlike the ones you see everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
We were 40 years ahead of our time.
Yeah, they weren't quite as trendy.
They weren't quite as trendy, but we had fresh hamburgers, authentic Mexican food. It was really cool. And I used to make change with one of these things. When I first started, it'd be like, you need 55 cents. It'd be like quarter, nickel. And then by the time I was 3 weeks into it, it was like, here's your change. It became so automatic.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it was really cool. So this makes me feel nostalgic. This little coin changer.
Nostalgic.
I like it. It's fun. Look for it in the booth.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I like it.
Absolutely.
I like those wall hangers over there.
Yeah. So let me move my espresso here. These are really pretty. There's a set of 2 of these, and they hang like this. So these are vintage wall hangers, but they're ceramic, and aren't they pretty?
Kind of wall pockets, is that what?
Yes. So you could put, what did I say? Say something.
Hangers, hangers.
Wall pockets. Yes. So you could put a plant in here, real or artificial, and you can tell that it's old by the marking on here. I'm not sure what the company was. Clemson's, I think. But aren't those pretty?
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. So I like that. And then do you want to make an announcement about your paint?
Yeah. Can you see our paints over here? We have, look at these cute little sizes. This is a new, so WWII, they're trying this out. I don't know if they'll have these forever. We went ahead and ordered them the first time they were available, but they're little 2-ounce jars of paint in select colors. We have 6 colors, and we bought them because we thought you might like to try them, or maybe try a new color. If you already use DIY paint and you are interested in, this is blue iris. We have several colors over there that we thought you might want to experiment a little bit with. So these will be in the booth, and they'll be $7.
And those are cool. Those are little trial size. That stuff actually goes a long way.
I would say, yeah, it's more than a trial, really. I think these are really good for a small project.
Yes.
So you probably could do a small table or something with them, I'm guessing. But if you're just doing smaller projects, like some of these things that are back here, these would absolutely
more than do
that. Yeah, it goes a long way.
So that's cool. That's going in the booth. That's Deb's DIY. available at Sugar Mill.
Yes.
In the back room there that is kind of becoming the craft room. They got DIY and IOD back there.
And there's recycled papers right by the front door.
Recycled papers right by the front door there. So that's cool. That's cool. So anything else you want to show for sure?
Well,
I thought that pickle.
Yeah,
I keep calling it a pickle jar. It's not a pickle jar.
I don't know. It's an Anchor Hocking jar. The lady we bought it from said it had beef jerky in it. So probably like in an old store, but yeah, it's shaped like a barrel, has the texture like a barrel, has this great red handle and the original lid, and it's Anchor Hocking. It's pretty awesome.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I would keep this.
I saw you fall in love with that from across the room.
Yeah. I mean, if there's not room in the booth, there is room in my kitchen.
And we babysit. So that's it. We had a great time at the staycation. What do we have this weekend? Father's Day.
Happy Father's
Day this weekend. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You know, a great place to take to shop for Father's Day.
Yeah. Sugar Mill.
Sugar Mill. That's 100% right.
Absolutely.
Go into Sugar Mill. They got everything from when the father in your life was a kid to throwback stuff to cool stuff. There's a lot going on there, a lot of memories.
True.
You know, you see a father walking around in Walmart and he just looks irritated and wants to get out. You see a guy walking around in Sugar Mill and it's like his wife can't keep up with him. He's just doing his own thing. He's like, whatever, dear, you do what you want. I'm over here by the albums or by the sports memorabilia or whatever. So
a lot of things for dads. We have our fisherman's soap in our booth. That would be really good.
Yes, fisherman's soap.
If you have a dad who likes to fish and hunt, that would be a nice little gift. And we have lots of little things in our booth.
Absolutely. So thank you for watching. We love you. To all the fathers, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Have a great weekend. It's going to be a beautiful weekend here. And we just really thank you for joining us. Anything else, dear?
I don't think so. I did want to show that cool fly swatter.
Oh, you did? Oh, well, okay.
No, one more thing.
One more thing.
Because I think it's so adorable.
In closing, here we go.
Look at this cute fly swatter. It's a cat, but then on the handle, there's a little mouse that's hanging. Hopefully you can see that okay. Isn't that just adorable?
I'll tell you what's adorable. You are adorable.
Well, I thought it was cute when I saw it was a cat. And then when I saw the mouse, I was like, what? That is way too cute. So anyway, thanks for giving me that one more.
Thank you, guys. We'll see you. We love you. Goodbye. Have an awesome weekend.
Bye. Happy Father's Day.